If you are a day trader or maybe even just thinking about moving into day trading, then this will be a video for you because yes, my community, which is a relatively common question, does cater to swing trading and those that have a swing trader aspect of their personal strategy and approach to the markets. And I want to just give you a glimpse into what those alerts look like, how things operate, and that way you can have a full picture and understanding of what you'll get if you choose to use this service that I do offer at my website, claytrader.com. But I do want to really quickly address the skeptics out there, and I appreciate your skepticism. The skeptics saying, Clay, this video is going to be worthless because you're just going to cherry pick winners and you're going to make it look like, oh, geez, everything is a winner. Again, I applaud your skepticism because that is what a lot of people would do. But I'm going to address that here in a little bit later on in the video and show you a way where you can actually look at and get a transparent view of how these new newsletters have worked over time. So first, let me just set up a context so I can give you an actual real life case study of how these alerts work. So what I'm going to show you here is an alert that I made in our live chat room. So we use Discord for that. And I'll show you an alert and then I'll show you how things played out. Now, the first key part about this alert was the date made. So you can see the documentation, which I love about Discord. They document everything. So this was made on October 4th of 2023 at 2:51 p.m. Eastern time. And there you can see gold and then GLD, which is the the ticker symbol for the ETF of gold, and other ETFs daily chart sitting at a potential double bottom area. So there's the alert, gold, meaning just in general, that daily chart sitting at a potential double bottom area. And when I'm talking about daily chart, I mean, that is right for you as swing traders. So at the time I made the alert right there, October 4th, this is what the chart looked like. And you can see that this green line here is the double bottom area that I was referring to. So let's see how things played out after that alert was made. So next day price comes down there, hits it once again. Next day starting to bottom out, starting to show life. A little bit of consolidation, more life with the gap up, a little consolidation, and then a huge move right there. And that is where gold currently is at the moment in this video. So the double bottom did indeed go into full beast mode. So yes, an absolutely fantastic alert for those swing traders and had a good variety, whether it was GLD or some other gold ETF, some other gold individual company. I mean, a lot of opportunity there and just a great solid setup for the double bottom. And, like I said, as of right now, for all I know, some members are still in the trade because who knows, maybe they're just letting it ride up and who knows how high gold's going to go moving into the future here. But now I get it. Like I said earlier, okay, Clay, great. You cherry picked a winning trade. You cherry picked something that worked out very nicely. Fair enough. But now if you're interested in seeing more transparency, about how these alerts and watch lists work, then another part of the service is not only the live chat room alerts, but I do send out a newsletter. And the newsletter has 5 different charts on it every week. And then you can go and build trade plans around them. And this is a way where you can go and look at past newsletters. So I will put a link below to how you can find this page on the website. But this is just a series that I did where I would go and I would review the newsletters. I'd go through each and every one and just see how things played out. And this gives people and this gives you an opportunity to see how things worked, win, lose, or draw. So again, I'll put that link down below and you can go and look at those. Now, I don't have any up-to-date ones because just to speak brutally honest, those videos weren't that popular, so I don't do them anymore. But that doesn't take away from the fact that there are many, many weeks of, where you can go and see how those alerts all turned out. So I still do the newsletter, but I don't do those videos anymore just because, like I said, they weren't that popular. But that's another way where you can go and check out the transparency. So if you like what you saw here, then you can just go to claytrader.com/team. I'll put a link below and you can see and get more details on how all this works. But at the end of the day, hey, Clay, how much does it cost? Well, right there, you can see a couple different choices. The key dynamic here is that it is $99 per 3 months. So it's not, I repeat, it's not $99 per month, $99 every 3 months. Or if you just buy for a year, that breaks down to actually giving yourself 3 months free. So if you pay $297, then you're ultimately getting those 3 months free. Or if you just want to do it on a quarterly basis, so once every 3 months, then over here it gives you that $99 option. If there are any other questions, then please let me know down in the comment section. I'd be happy to offer those to you. But like I started the video, I'll end it. Hopefully, as a swing trader or somebody that's thinking about getting into swing trading, this has at least piqued your interest to want to learn more about, or maybe just flat out sign up. I argue that $99 every 3 months is something where I can make no guarantees, but do I think that over the course of 3 months, the alerts and the watch list for swing traders can help you make more than $99? Again, not over the course of a week or a month, but over 3 months, yeah, I'm confident that what you'll gain will, via the alerts and the watch list, will give you a realistic chance of being able to make back those $99 plus some more. So if you have any questions, like I said, leave those down below. I hope this video helps for those of you that are swing traders or at least thinking of getting into swing trading. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.